Hello everyone. Today's topic is how to have a competitive edge in business using transfer pricing. Multinationals which use transfer prices as planning tool are often tagged as being tax aggressive or accused of tax avoidances. Over the past years, this topic has grown mammoth and no country in this world with ethical business practices could afford to ignore the subject. Most of the industry considers the field of transfer pricing to be highly technical in nature and some knowledge that is privileged to a few handfuls in the industry. You would be surprised to know that the principles and the study of transfer pricing are not just mere compliance or planning a cross-border transaction, but could be used in making your operational business and financial decisions. In today's world, due to lack of appropriate tools at disposal, most of the business finance decisions are taken by gut feeling of the CEO and the management leaders. Whereas transfer pricing advisors are accountants and economists specializing in the area of taxation and finance, mainly working with the multinational corporation. These advisory firms work on big data for the purpose of designing, documenting, and building in defense documentation for taxation of a multinational corporation. Such data, if well interpreted and laid down, could act as a strong basis for you and your management to make an informed business decision which could yield you positive results. A transfer pricing competitive and comparable analysis could provide you with comparative data available from the public domain where you would be able to understand the depth about your industry and the trends over the years via an informed report to make informed decisions. To sum it up, transfer pricing as law and study is not only a home game for the multinational corporations, but the principles, especially the data available for the analysis of transfer pricing, could be used to build in financial intelligence in your organization and to seek active comparable data to make informed decisions. The following are some of the examples where you could use the principles of transfer pricing in combination with financial analysis. First, determination of right levels of managerial remuneration. Second, determination of royalty rate and attached remuneration. Third, achieving the right levels of profitability. Fourth, analyzing the working capital cycle in an industry. Fifth, analyzing the sales potential and trends over the years in your industry. Sixth, setting of sales and growth targets in line with the industry movements. Seventh, implementation of cost control measures through the knowledge of expenditure levels of its competitors. Eighth, what are the levels of or trends in marketing spend in your industry? Finally, hope this article has been helpful to you and has given you a different perspective of transfer pricing and how you could use it for building in the business financial intelligence. You can contact us at the following details. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such content. See you in the next video. Until then, zooming out.